Since the beginning, Samsung has done a great job of ensuring that its smartphones get the most recent Android updates. They were among the first to accomplish this. They used to give major updates to many of their phones, something few other phone companies did. Samsung initially struggled to provide updates on time, but with time they improved. Nonetheless, in comparison to certain other companies, they may not be the fastest. This is due to the fact that they have so many different phones to maintain. In 2019, Samsung improved the rules for software updates, announcing that they would give 3 important OS upgrades to all of their top-tier phones and some of their mid-range phones. However, what made Samsung truly unique was how well they supported their phones. 2 years later, they performed even better. Samsung promised that its premium and select mid-range smartphones will get 4 Android OS updates and remain safe with updates for 5 years. No other Android phone manufacturer could equal this level of commitment. It was unexpected that Google, the firm behind the Android operating system, didn't alter its approach when several Chinese phone companies started to follow this practice as well. Old or new Pixel phones will still only get 3 significant Android updates, and this hasn't changed as of yet. With the Pixel 8 series of phones just announced and Google confirming that the Pixel 8 and likely all subsequent Pixels would get updates for 7 years, Google may now challenge Samsung in the Android update race. That's 2 years longer than Samsung and nearly as long as Apple, but Apple does sometimes give iPhone updates for more than 7 years. It's vital to note that this 7 years of updates will include security updates, bug fixes, and updates for each of the 7 major Android versions. In a blog post on their own blog site, Google will go into more information about this. Today, we announced our commitment to provide 7 years of software support for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, including regular feature updates, Android OS upgrades, and security updates. No other major smartphone manufacturer provides this steadfast level of support and longevity, so your Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will be supported far beyond the year 2030. Because they will be safe and effective for 7 years, these phones are a more environmentally friendly option for smartphones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.